Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. Number 32, a tiger leaps horizontally from a 7.5-meter high rock with a speed of 3 meters per second. How far from the base of the rock she will land? Okay, so let's draw the parameters that are given by the problem here. It has leaps horizontally here, so she will go there, right? So we will have this initial velocity horizontally, so I will have PO on the x direction. That will be 3 meters per second. And then here this rock is 7.5-meter high, so we will have this one here that will be 7.5 meter. And then we are looking for this distance here, so let's name this distance here as x, right? Because it is a horizontal distance. Okay, but then here we have the initial velocity on the vertical direction. We have it as 0, right? Because it only has vertical velocity, so I'll have PO comma y, which is 0 meter over second. Okay, so basically in the vertical direction she is free falling, so I will start with that, right? Vertical direction. So we will have, it is free falling, right? Because c does not have initial velocity, and we can just use this formula here. H is equal to 1/2 g and then t squared. Good. Now what is the height? We have 7.5, so I'll have 7.5, and then we will have 1/2, and then g is 9.8, and that will be t squared. And we can isolate for t squared here, so we'll have t squared is equal to 2 multiplied by 7.5 divided by 9.8. And so we can have the time here that is elapsed after the tiger get here, that will be the square root of 2 times 7.5 divided by 9.8. And what can we do here is plug this into calculator, right? So we will have the square root of 2 times 7.5 divided by 9.8. Okay, and that will be 1.24 second. 1.24 second. And that is an important value because that is our time when the tiger get from here until here. Good. And that is for the vertical direction. And let's now move on to the horizontal direction. Okay, now let's do the horizontal direction. Okay, in horizontal direction, we have an initial velocity of 3.0 meter over seconds, and we will assume that it is constant velocity, right? Constant velocity with no acceleration on the horizontal direction. Good. And so we can just calculate x here with this one, the speed on the x direction multiplied by time, right? So because the tiger get here from here, it is the time 1.24. So we will have this one here, VOX is 3 meter per second. Okay, so I will have 3 meter per second, and the t is the same, right? Because it is vertically and horizontally, we will have 1.24. So I will have 3 times 1.24 second. I think I just not write the unit first. So we will have x is equal to this, and let's plug that into our calculator. 3 multiplied by 1.24. And that will be 3.72. So I have 3.72 meter. And that is how far from the base of the rock the tiger will land. So I have 3.72 meter. And that is the final answer for this question here. I think that's all for this problem. Hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. And as usual, thank you for watching. If you got questions, send me your problem to ardisatria11@gmail.com. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.